Welcome back to Techrific, where we dive into the latest and greatest tech, and today we're going to be checking out the highly anticipated SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro Plus in black. Now, these earbuds promise high-res audio, AI-driven noise cancellation, and premium XMEMS speaker technology, all for under $100. But how do they really perform? Let's jump in. So let's start with the unboxing. SoundPEATS has gone for a minimalist yet sleek design for the box. On the front, we have the product image and key features, and on the back, a detailed breakdown of specs. Inside, everything is neatly packed. So here's what you get. The Capsule3 Pro Plus earbuds snugly sitting in their charging case, a USB-C charging cable, 3 sizes of silicone ear tips for that perfect fit, and of course, a user manual. Now, the charging case is compact and lightweight, weighing just 48 grams with the earbuds inside. This makes it perfect for slipping in and out of your pockets. And check out the matte finish. It resists fingerprints and adds a premium feel. So let's give first impressions and thoughts on the design. At just 5 grams each, they're feather light but don't feel flimsy. The design is ergonomic with a slightly angled nozzle that fits comfortably in your ears. Now, SoundPEATS also includes 3 sizes of ear tips, small, medium, and large, ensuring that you have the perfect and snug fit for your earbuds. And what about durability? These are rated IPX4 water resistant, which is really good if you're out maybe playing sports, or you're sweating, or you're just doing some normal errands with some light rain. Now, remember in the intro where we talked about XMEMS speaker technology? What exactly is it? Well, traditional dynamic drivers are great, but XMEMS audio technology takes listening to a whole other level. Here's why. For starters, it has enhanced spatial audio imaging. XMEMS delivers 7 times better spatial audio than dynamic drivers. This means you can pick out individual instruments and vocals more clearly throughout your audio tracks. Secondly, they have a faster response time. The MEMS speaker reacts 150 times faster than your traditional dynamic drivers, which means ultra precise sound reproduction while you're listening. And last but not least, they're thin and lightweight. At just 1mm thick and 56 milligrams, the speaker is incredibly compact, making these earbuds light without sacrificing performance. And so this tech translates into a rich and immersive listening experience. And so being high-res certified, they also come with LDAC codec for that premium listening experience. And so if you're an Android user, you're in for a treat. LDAC allows up to 990 kilobytes per second of data transfer, capturing every nuance of your music. Just a heads up though, you'll need an Android device running Android 8.0 or higher to be able to fully utilize that LDAC codec. But even without LDAC, the earbuds support SBC and AAC codecs, delivering excellent audio quality across all of your devices. And so now let's talk about that AI-driven noise cancellation. One of those standout features of the Capsule3 Pro Plus is the fact that they can deliver noise cancellation up to 45 decibels, compared to most earbuds that normally cut around sound from 20 to 30 decibels. So you could see a huge jump in performance for AI noise cancellation. Now, even if it supports great noise cancellation, it does not sacrifice listening quality. What's impressive is how well it handles low frequency noises, like airplane engines and mid-range frequencies, like office chatter. The AI adapts in real time, ensuring the best possible noise reduction wherever you are. And with the transparency mode, you can stay aware of your surroundings without even having to take out your earbuds, which is really convenient if you're a busy commuter in a city and you want your things hands-free. Now, what about battery life and charging? Battery life is a key factor for many wireless earbud users, and the Capsule3 Pro Plus do not disappoint. Each charge gives you up to 8 hours of playtime, and with the case, you're looking at a total of 43 hours. That's almost 2 full days of non-stop listening. They also charge quickly, just 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds. And let's not forget about the case itself. It supports a USB-C port for even quicker charging. Now this makes it compatible with many of the chargers that we see in our tech world nowadays. Now connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures a stable connection with minimal latency. Pairing is super straightforward, and once connected, the earbuds stay connected. No dropouts during my testing. The touch controls are responsive, and you can even customize them through the SoundPEATS app on your mobile device. However, I did notice a little learning curve getting used to those different touch controls and gestures, so you may want to spend a few minutes learning them. Now, I tested these earbuds in multiple different circumstances of real life usage, watching movies, playing games, and even taking calls. The low latency mode worked great for gaming, and the triple mic setup ensured my calls were clear, even in noisy environments. Sound-wise, the bass is punchy without being overwhelming, mids are warm and detailed, and the highs are crisp. It's a well-balanced profile that suits most genres. If you're an audiophile on a budget or just someone who wants premium features without breaking the bank, the SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro Plus are for you. At $89.99, they're incredible value for your buck. Here are the pros. High-res audio, outstanding ANC, great battery life, comfortable fit. The cons, touch controls take some time to getting used to, and LDAC is Android exclusive. And so that's it for today's review. Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts. What's your favorite feature of the Capsule3 Pro Plus? And if you've tried them, I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, please smash that subscribe button. We're so close to hitting 15,000 by the end of the year. And share it around to stay up to date with the latest tech content. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where I try to keep you guys updated with the latest and greatest tech and what's going on in my journey. And until then, stay techie. It's been Alex with an unboxing, first impressions, and review of the Capsule3 Pro Plus.